So the next formatting method in string is through format uh, method. Now this particular method was introduced in Python 3.0, yeah, to str class. So there is a class called str in which this is method is introduced. Now this is specifically used for handling complex string formatting more effectively. Yeah. Now, this method of inbuilt string class provides ability to do complex variable substitution and value formatting. So we need to understand that this particular method was introduced in Python 3.0 and it was backported. So you can use it in 2.6 or 2.7 as well. So it will not give you any errors. Now, this method, the general syntax of this method is this way. So I would write syntax. Hmm, this code, okay. It would be str dot format. Then you have the various variables to and so on. Yes. So this is the format of or the syntax of format method. Yeah. And the return value, the method returns a formatted string. That's it. So this method returns a formatted string, which you need to understand. The string itself contains placeholders in which values of variables are successfully inserted. Yes. So where we inserted percentage, instead of that, we'll use the curly braces. Yes. So instead of using percentage, which we used as an operator, we will be using curly braces. We'll see one of the example of the one which we have used earlier of Nilesh. So I'll use this name and age, and I'll use it the same way here. So what we are trying to do is, I'll show you what happens. So name is Nilesh, that is my variable. Yeah, age is 23. We use percentage s. Instead of this, we'll use curly brackets. Yeah. And again, for here, age percentage d, we do not need to specify any d or s. We'll again use curly brackets. Yeah. And we'll specify, since the format is dot format, dot format. So it will be string dot format. This is the format, yes. This is the syntax that we have told. So this is the string entire, this is the string. Then we have the dot, and then we have the format, yes. And then we have the variable. Yeah. So these are the normal changes apart from the percentage operator that we have. Let's run this. It should give you the same output which we have got earlier to percentage operator. Yes. Now you can use variables, yeah, directly inside instead of specifying it separately. How you can do that? I can use this statement itself directly. Yes. And I'll use variable inside this. I'll say name and I'll say age. Yes. And here I'll specify the variable is equal to Nilesh and age equals to 23. I can write it this way as well. The output would be similar. Perfect. Now you can also specify C style formatting symbols. Yes. How do we do that? We can by, if you have to use C style. Okay. Let me put it here. C style formatting symbols. We can do that by specifying my name is S, and we can specify B. Yeah, let's see if it gives you the same output. Yeah, it gives me the same output. Now let's understand how we can do a precision formatting uh, using the format method. How we can do that is, let's use the same percentage thing that we used for operators. Which one is this? Okay, this was the percentage part. Yes. Yeah, we have the same thing. So I say my name is S, so I need to specify curly brackets. I'll say S. I'll have the curly brackets here as well. I'll percentage B. Perfect. And I have secured 6.3 marks, which is, again, I have to put percentage 6S, which you have used for operators, if you remember that. Yeah. And rest remains the same. Let's see the output. Okay, I have done some mistake. Let me see what mistake I have done. Okay, I need to specify format. I cannot use percentage operator. Yes. So this is perfect. Let me run this. See, I've got the desired output, which I've got earlier as well with the percentage operator. So this is precision formatting. Now again, as we did for how we can have a string alignment. Now string alignment using format method is done with less than, greater than, and apostrophe symbol. The left, right, and center alignment respectively in each place. So the string alignment, let me write it method. Yes, so string alignment using format method. Here, the string alignment is used during the less than sign, greater than sign, or the apostrophe sign. The less than sign is used as a left alignment. Yes. Greater than sign is used as a right alignment, and apostrophe sign is used as a center alignment. Yeah. So let's see some examples on this. So I will use the same example of my I scan analyze. Okay, this one. And I will specify it as I scan analyze. Welcome to, I'll say, curly brackets. I'll specify greater than 20. Yes, I'll remove this. So I specify greater than 20. So there should be 20 characters, which is not there. I'll put 25 so that you can see the left and right alignment both. Make it a little bigger to see the left and right. Greater than 20, this is the largest thing. I need to specify string dot format. Yes, to run it. Let's see what happens. It should show in the right alignment as you have seen here. Let's do it for left and center alignment as well. So we'll do for left alignment. We do for center alignment. Yeah, you'll be able to see the difference. Let me run this code. See this? So greater than sign, it has right aligned the text as per the padding that we have given. We have given a padding of 30. So apart from the characters, there are additional characters which are padded ahead. If it is less than 30, I have added less than 30. So it has left padded, left aligned the text by padding on the right side. And for apostrophe, it has kept the text center aligned by padding both the sides. Yeah. So this is how you can use string alignment for getting your output our desired output. Yeah. You can also truncate, as we have seen in the percent operator. You can truncate using format string. Yeah. Let me put a space. Okay. So how do I truncate? So let me use the same thing again. I'll put it here and I'll say, what was it? It was -5 that we did, or -10 that we did. No, zero point 0.5 we did, 0.5, yes, or zero point 0.5 only we can specify. It will take the same thing. So let's see what happens. It will truncate the initial 4 characters or 5 characters. You can see this. Yeah. So the same thing can be done using percentage operator. We were able to do it through format method as well. Yeah. Hope you understood the difference and found it better, whichever you find better to for your pursual, you can use it and uh, and make your code look better. Yeah. Thanks. Thank you so much.